नमस्कार प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, आज हम बात करेंगे एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बारे में। तो रिसेंटली एक सब्सक्राइबर ने मुझसे पूछा कि सर यू आर सेंडिंग दी वीडियोस एंड यू आर मेकिंग वीडियोस ऑन द करियर डेवलपमेंट, एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी, एनहांसमेंट, स्किल डेवलपमेंट, बट मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है। आई हैव टेकन एडमिशन इन B.Tech कंप्यूटर साइंस इन फर्स्ट ईयर. Recently I have got admitted and I just wanted to know, because you have shown the roadmap for 4 year engineering, but what we need to do, because we have to make a short term goal और हमें पता करना है कि एक साल जो हमारा फर्स्ट ईयर है, दैट इज फर्स्ट सेकंड सेमेस्टर एंड सेकंड सेमेस्टर, उसमें हम किस तरीके से अपनी प्रिपरेशन करें सो दैट whenever we are coming into final year we can be well prepared and we can grab those opportunities which is one of the best opportunities in the field of computer science. So what we need to do, how we have to prepare well for the first year only, because we always see and we feel also that when students are entering into first year, they are coming from school to college, so sometimes they are not at all very sincere, and when they are not sincere at all, in that case they cannot prepare well and they cannot make their fundamental and the foundation strong. And first year is the foundation. When we are making a home, then the foundation is very important. It's just like that in B.Tech engineering, first year is a foundation, so we have to make it very strong. For making our foundation strong, what we need to do, if you are a computer science engineer, if you have taken B.Tech computer science, AI, DS, any kind of branches related to computer science, then you have to focus on, in the first semester you need to focus on C, basic concept of C programming, as well as the fundamental of C programming, right? You have to have a full-fledged clarity on C concept, and you have to work on at least 3 to 4 projects related to the C, where you can learn C practically. So whatever you have learned in the theory related to C, you have to learn it practically, and you have to explore yourself in that directions. So that is very important. When you are in the first semester, you have to focus on C. Each and every concept of basic C programming language has to be clear before your first semester end. And after completion of the first semester, if you can go for 15 to 30 days of any kind of short internship or a live project, that will give you added advantages. Then when we are entering into second semester, you have to focus on C++. That is very important, and the basic fundamental concept of C++ engineering. In that semester, you have to focus on some of the logical building related problems or the logical exercises related to the programming, where you can cover C and C++ both. And you have to solve the problem related to the hackathon, which is being asked by many of the hackathon. It can be national, state level hackathon. So you have to solve these kind of issues. So in the first semester, second semester, you have to focus on C as well as C++, basic and fundamental concept of C, how you can use it practically, that you have to also learn, and you have to do some kind of practical learning in the form of any portal which is available for coding. There are many ample of portal available for coding, where you can solve any kind of problem, where you can solve any kind of projects related to basic programming. So you have to work on that project, and if you can take any kind of 1 or 2 certification in any areas related to your fundamental concept learning or your computer science field, it will give you a great advantages. You should have a complete idea about the latest technologies available in the field of programming, in the field of computer science, in the field of coding. For example, blockchain, what does it mean of AI, what does it mean of AR, VR, what does it mean of DevOps. So there are many more technologies available in the market. You should have a better ideas that what basically those technologies are. So when you are going into second year, third year, you can also make yourself aware that in which field you want to make your career, and you can learn it practically in a systematic way. So in the first year, if you are focusing on those aspects, you can make your bright future when you are coming into third year as well as final year. And try to maintain your percentage at least more than 70 to 75. Try to avoid that you cannot get any kind of backlogs in first year, because if you are getting any kind of backlogs in first year, there is a chances that in the second year, third year, it will be very difficult for clearing those backlogs, as well as some more backlogs can be generated, because you are already having that kind of pressure in your mind that you have the backlogs in the first year. I have seen many students, those students having backlog in first year, they cannot clear into the final year also. इसी के साथ हम इस तरीके की जो भी क्वेरीज है और इस तरीके की क्वेरीज के साथ हम आपके पास आएंगे। कोई भी विद्यार्थी को द्वारा कोई भी कमेंट क्वेरीज हम कोशिश करेंगे उसको हम रिजॉल्व कर पाए। You have to focus on your academics as well as on your skills. That is very important if you really want to be successful in your life. And with the same word, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. धन्यवाद।